Hi, my name is Miriam Cruz. I'm a certified probate and trust specialist. And today we're going to talk about the tips and tools that I recommend for people going through probate or that have a trust. One of the resources is a California Self-Help Center, and you can find that online. In this Self-Help Center, you can find more information about the probate process, the trust process. There's many guides and tools that can help you with all your questions and answer any of the questions that you might have as it relates to probate or having a trust. Another great resource would be speaking to someone who specializes in probate or trust, like myself. Someone who's certified would be able to give you information as to where you are in the probate process or in the trust process, and also will give you information and tools that you might find beneficial when you're selling or buying through a trust or through probate. CPRES is a designation for agents who are certified in probate and trust sales. Another resource can be an estate planning attorney. An experienced estate planning attorney can provide legal advice related to your specific situation. They can help you draft documents, ensure compliance with state laws, and help you with your case as needed. They can minimize any tax liability and address any legal disputes that might arise. The next tool is the Personal Representative Handbook. This is a comprehensive guidebook for personal representatives in California, and you can also find that on my website. It provides step-by-step instructions on responsibilities, from inventorying assets to distributing property. It includes checklists, timelines, and descriptions of legal terms. And overall, it makes it easier to manage your estate efficiently. Another resource is an online probate case search, depending upon the county you're in. These tools are all available on the county court website. They allow you to track your case online, stay updated as to important dates, and also look at important documents that are filed with the court online. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you meet all your legal requirements. I'm Miriam Cruz. I'm a certified probate and trust specialist. If you need help with probate, feel free to reach out via email or social media.